Hey everyone, it's October 29th, and I noticed today that my pomegranates cracked. So it's been raining for the past 2 days. This tends to happen when pomegranates are beginning to ripen. A lot of fruits have this issue, but look at the inside. The arrows are really plump and red and juicy. I'm going to pick off any other cracked ones. The rest of these, I'm going to let them hang on as long as possible, let them get hit by a little bit of frost. If you recall, these fruits are from July blooms, so hopefully next year they will bloom sooner. Those two pomegranates yielded this many arrows. This is a small ramen bowl. Yeah, I've tasted them off camera. They're more tart than sweet, but they're totally edible. They're not bitter, they're not astringent. I did read online there's a way to sweeten them a little bit more, so I read you can add a baking soda and some honey or agave, which I did. Gave this a taste, and don't recommend doing this. It gives them a fizzy taste. Kind of tastes like one of those soda candies. I'd say, yeah, it's interesting. Maybe if I let them sit a little bit longer, the carbon dioxide would dissipate. I just ended up rinsing these and eating them as they are. This variety has hard seeds, so I don't recommend chewing on them.